Space has always captured our imagination. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, is just one of the billions scattered across the cosmos. But today we turn our gaze to our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Known as M31, this colossal spiral galaxy is not just a distant object in our telescopes. It's a key player in the future of our own galaxy. With a diameter of about 220,000 light-years, Andromeda is the largest galaxy in our local group, a collection of over 50 galaxies that includes the Milky Way, the Triangulum Galaxy, and several smaller companions. It's home to about 1 trillion stars, more than twice the number in our own galaxy, and lies roughly 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. Let's explore Andromeda's structure. At its heart lies a dense nucleus surrounded by a sprawling disk of stars. This disk is defined by majestic spiral arms, filled with young, hot stars and regions of intense star formation. Andromeda's core is also home to a supermassive black hole, much like the one in our Milky Way, though it's thought to be more massive. Andromeda's spiral arms are rich with star clusters and nebulae. The galaxy is dotted with bright, massive star clusters like NGC 206, a star-forming region larger than any found in the Milky Way. These regions are nurseries for new stars, where gas and dust coalesce under gravity, igniting the process of nuclear fusion. Beyond the visible disk, Andromeda is surrounded by a vast halo of stars and dark matter. This halo extends far beyond the galaxy's main body, enveloping it in a dim, almost ghostly light. This halo also interacts gravitationally with nearby dwarf galaxies, pulling them into Andromeda's orbit or absorbing them entirely. As massive as Andromeda is, it's also on the move. Andromeda is hurtling towards the Milky Way at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second, or roughly 250,000 miles per hour. While that might sound fast, given the vast distance between us, the collision won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. When it does, the event will reshape both galaxies in a process that will take millions of years to complete. The collision will begin with the outer halos of the two galaxies interacting. These halos, filled with gas, stars, and dark matter, will begin to merge long before the galaxies themselves collide. This will set off a cascade of events, triggering bursts of star formation as gas clouds are compressed by gravitational forces. As Andromeda and the Milky Way draw closer, their spiral arms will begin to intertwine, creating massive tidal forces that will stretch and distort both galaxies. Stars within each galaxy will be flung into new orbits, some even being ejected into intergalactic space. Despite the scale of this collision, the vast distances between individual stars mean that very few will actually collide with each other. Over time, the two galaxies will merge into a single, massive elliptical galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. This new galaxy will be larger and more luminous than either of its progenitors, with a dense core and a halo filled with the remnants of the collision. But what about the solar system? Will our sun be thrown out into the void, or could it be pulled into the heart of this new galaxy? Current models suggest that while the solar system might be displaced from its current position in the Milky Way, it's unlikely to be ejected entirely. However, the sun's path through the galaxy could be altered significantly, leading to changes in the solar system's environment. The collision will also have implications for the long-term future of our solar system. As the galaxies merge, the influx of gas could trigger new waves of star formation, possibly altering the gravitational balance in our neighborhood. However, by the time the galaxies have fully merged, our sun will have evolved into a red giant, nearing the end of its life cycle. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda will mark a new chapter in the history of our universe. It will be a spectacular event, transforming the night sky and creating a new galaxy that will shine brightly for billions of years to come. Though the collision is billions of years away, studying it today helps us understand the forces that shape galaxies and the universe as a whole. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, the Milky Way and Andromeda are just two of countless galaxies, each with its own unique story. But their collision will be a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe, a universe where nothing stays the same forever. And so, as we look up at the stars tonight, we are glimpsing the future of our galaxy and the universe itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this exploration of the Andromeda Galaxy and its future collision with the Milky Way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep looking up.